Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful Diwali or any festival makeup look, then keep on watching. Also, if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Urvashi and I do post fashion, makeup and skincare related content on my channel. And before moving into the makeup tutorial, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Now this video is going to be a descriptive video about skincare and makeup. So if you are makeup or skincare enthusiast, then keep on watching. Let's move on to the first step, and that is skincare. Now skincare के अंदर दो basic steps होते हैं, that is cleansing and moisturizing. Now you should understand this, that before moving on to your makeup, before applying it on your face, you should cleanse your face thoroughly, and then you have to apply a good thick or a Hydra light moisturizer on your skin according to your skin type. So for today I have my personal favorite cleanser, and that is from the brand Dermaweave. Now this cleanser is to swear by. Literally, I have very sensitive skin and acne prone skin, and this cleanser does wonders. And बहुत ही natural ingredients से बना है. It won't harm your skin if you are sensitive dry skin type. It won't harm your skin at all. Now this is the Hydra cleanser, and it is made up of oatmeal, which will make your skin more smooth and will remove all the impurities from your face, so you can have a pure canvas for your makeup. Now I have sprayed some water on my face, and I am going to take not much, just a pieces amount, and you're good to go. It is soap free, and yeah, that's it. Now after massaging it very gently on my face, I will wash off my face and will come back. So I am back, and you can see the hydration on my face. I'll just pat dry it and we'll move on to the moisturizer. So moving on to the moisturizer. Now moisturizer plays a very important role in setting your base and making your base look flawless. So for that I have a clear winner here, and it's from the brand Nutriderm. This is their vitamin E moisturizing lotion. Now this moisturizer works wonder, and after buying this product you will thank me, because this product is love. Now I will be taking small amount of like this, and I'll just gently warm up the product and will apply it on my face. Now this is very thick consistency moisturizer, but does not feel like it's thick, and it's very hydrating. So you can skip the primer part here, because this moisturizer is a 2-in-1 product, and here I'm not going to apply any primer because you don't need it. It's so hydrating. It makes your base look so flawless. Also, if you have recently got your face waxed or you have threaded your face, you can definitely use this Dermaweave's moisturizing lotion. It says that it's for dry skin condition. Now this moisturizer will make your skin feel more hydrated. So yeah, you can definitely check this one if your skin is too much sensitive. Now moving on to the makeup. Now the first thing I am going to apply on my bare face is concealer, and I'm not going to use any kind of foundation today because I just want my makeup to feel very light and to feel very natural. Now firstly I will apply eyeshadow. So I am putting some of the concealer on my eyelids, and for those who have a skin color like me, a shade like me, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the shade 314 beige, and this color suits me so well. It's just like my skin. It's not a concealing concealer, it's just like a foundation to me, and yeah, that's why I'm going to use this. Also this concealer is full coverage, so you don't need to apply too much of it. With the help of My Glam's Pose HD setting powder in the shade Ivory, I am going to lock my concealer so my eyeshadows won't crease. Now for my eyes, I'm going to use this La Mer's Professional Makeup eyeshadow palette, and it says that it's 16 shades of burgundy, and you get these beautiful colors in this palette. I guess I'm pronouncing it correct. If it's La Mer, it's La Mer. So I'm going to use this beautiful brownish peach color. I'm going to apply it as my transition shade. I will be creating a very soft eye look today. because I need something very soft on this Diwali. So yes, for my outer corner I'm going to use this dark brown shade and I'm just going to apply it here. For my inner corner I'm going to use this beautiful golden shade and I guess it won't come with a brush, so I'm going to use my fingers to apply this shade. Yeah, and I'm going to apply this just on my inner corners, not more than that. Now I am done with the eyeshadows. Now taking the same dark brown shade from the same palette and I'm going to use it as my eyeliner and I'm just going to smudge it off because I don't want a sharp look. I just want to make it more natural. Now I'm going to make my brows look more good and for that I'm going to use this Wet n Wild's brow powder eyebrow kit. Okay, this is the name of the product and this product is also very good and I usually make my brows with this one only. I have so many products but I like this one. Now eyebrows are done and I will be applying a beautiful kajal and I am using MAC. It's a decent kajal. It's expensive one but a decent one. If you like to invest your money, you can go for this one. But if you don't want to invest your money in this Xoxo sa product, you can go for Plum's eye kajal. Their core is too good. So I'm going to use La Male's mascara and I got this product 2 days back and I thought let's try it in front of you and we'll see if it works or not because I am new to this product, I am new to this brand and I don't know if this brand works, but the eyeshadow palette is superb, so let's try the mascara. Okay, this mascara makes your lashes look very natural. It does not clumps your lashes, which is a great thing because I am applying it again and again and it is not making my lashes look very clumsy. So my eyes are done. Now moving on to the base makeup. So for base makeup I am going to apply this strobing cream from the brand Pat Cosmetics, sorry, and this cream is a perfect dupe of MAC strobe cream and I am in the shade peach and I'm going to use it on my cheek, my nose area and my forehead, and yeah, it makes your skin feel so glowy and dewy. Now for my base I am going to use this L'Oreal's Infallible Full Wear Concealer and I am going to apply it on my points, my scars, my acne, my full face, totally. It's so easy to blend and I just love this concealer, literally. I'm going to set the base with K by Katrina's loose powder and I'm in the shade Banana. It's their banana powder. I am not baking up my face. I'm just applying it a little bit all over my face to get that beautiful smooth blurry effect on my face and I can definitely see the difference. I guess you can also see the difference. Now there is a trick to apply blush and I'm always up for it. I use a lip balm for my blush. I know that it sounds crazy and for you it sounds weird, but I do this very often and I like it. It makes your blush look so glowy and yeah, it feels so good. This is from the brand Nika Naturals and I am going to apply it on my face for that natural glowy look. Now I am done with my face makeup. I am going to apply a very light shade lip gloss on my lips, and I am going to line my lips. That's it. That's it for the Diwali look. I'm going to outline my lips with the Wet n Wild brown coal, and that's it. After that, I'm going to apply a lip gloss. It's from the brand Lotus Herbals, and it's in the shade Kissed Beige, and this is a very beautiful peach shade.